In this video, I'll be solving some problems regarding the addition and subtraction of polynomial, right? So, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please kindly click on the subscription button, please. And if you enjoy this video at the end of the video, please do well to share it with your friends. Now, suppose we are given this polynomial expression and we are asked to find a of x plus b as a function of x, a minus b as a function of x, rather. So the first thing that we have to find is a minus b of x, right? A as a function of x minus b of x, which is equal. Now, first thing we need to do here is that our a of x is actually something, right? So what's the expression for a of x? There's an expression for a of x, right? So here I'm going to have it to be, that's actually 7x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared, right? Then minus x plus 5. Then I'm asked to subtract this from what? My b of x, which is what? This 2x squared plus 3x minus 4. Right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this minus to open this bracket. So if I should open the bracket, I should have something like, that's 7x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared minus x plus 5 minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. Then after that, I'm going to collect the similar terms. Collecting the similar terms, in this case, I'm going to have my a of x minus b of x. I'm going to have to be equal now. I'm going to have 7x to the power of 3. Then that's all that I'm having here. I'm going to have this, which is plus 3x squared. Then here I'm having minus 2x squared. Then here I'm having minus x minus 3x, right? Then plus 5 plus 4. Then a of x, which is minus b of x, is equal now to, here I'm going to have to be, that's actually 7x to the power of 3. This minus this, that's going to give me, that's actually plus s squared. Then this minus this, that's actually minus 4x. Then this I'm having to what? Plus 9. So that's the answer to the first expression. That means our a of x minus b of x is equals to this. That's for the first one, right? Then let's move to the second one. The second one, it says you find 5 into 5c of x minus a of x. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to have a bracket for this, which is, we are going to open a bracket for this c of x. That's 5 into bracket. What's our c of x? 5x to the power of 3 plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 1. Close the bracket, then minus a of x, which is 7x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared minus x plus 5. So here, let's go ahead and open the bracket. We're going to have this to go 25x to the power of 3, then plus 20x squared. Then here minus 15x, right? Then here plus 5, right? Then minus 7x to the power of 3 plus 3, no, minus should be here. We are going to use minus to open the bracket. So here we are having minus everything here, that's minus 7x to the power of 3. Then here minus 3x squared. Then here plus x. Then we are having what? Minus 5. Because minus is actually for everything. So here we are going to have it to be equal. That's actually, we collect like times, which is 25x to the power of 3. Then here minus 7x to the power of 3. Then after that, we are going to have this to be what? Plus 20s squared, right? Then we're going to have this was minus 3s squared, right, which is this. Then after that, minus 15x. Then here we're going to have plus what? Plus x. Then here plus 5 minus 5. So the next thing we're going to have in this case is that we're going to have it to be equal. This minus this should give us something like, that's 18s raised power of 3, right? Then this minus this should give us plus 17s squared, right? Then minus 15x plus x, that should give us like minus 14x, right? Then this and this will follow. So this is the expression to 5 into bracket c of x, right? Minus a of x, right? So that's just it. Then the next thing we're going to do now is that we are going to find the last one, which is b of x minus c of x and minus a of x. So in this case, we are going to have it to be question 3 now, right? So here we are asked to find b function of x, c of x minus a of x, which is equal now to my b of x is actually 2x power 2 plus 3x then minus 4. Then you have minus, open a bracket, for your c of x, which is what? 5s squared, right? Then plus 4s squared minus 3x plus 1, right? Then after that, you have minus e of x, which is 7s raised to power 3 plus 3s squared minus x plus 5. Right? So now, let's go ahead and simplify this. So simplifying this expression of b of x minus c of x, right? Then minus a of x, we are going to have what? So we are going to have to what? 2s squared plus 3x minus 4. Then minus 5s squared. This time, that's minus 4s squared. This one by minus, that's plus 3x. Then this one times this, that's also minus 1. Then here minus what? 7s squared minus 3s squared plus x minus 5. So the last aspect that we're going to do is that we are going to collate the similar powers together. Right? So bringing the similar powers together, we're going to have this to be equal. Now the first power here is actually, this is raised power of 3. That's 7s power of 3, right? And we have our 5 to be raised power of 3, not squared, right? I think that's all. So here we are going to collate them together. This power of 3, power of 3. So we are going to have it what? Minus 5s power of 3, then minus 7x power of 3, right? That's the first one. Then the next one I'm having plus 2s squared. Then here minus 4s squared. Here I'm having what? Minus 3s squared, right? So after that, what am I having? I'm having plus 3x, right? Plus 3x plus x, which is here. Then what other thing? I'm having plus 3x again, plus 3x again, once again, which is this. Then after that, I'm having minus 4. Here I'm having minus 1, and also what? Minus 5. So what I'm going to do here is that I'll go ahead and simplify. Simplifying this, I'm going to have it to what? This is actually minus 12x power of 3, right? Then here I'm having this to what? Plus 2 minus 4s squared, that's minus 2s squared. This is minus 5s squared, right? So this is minus 5, because plus 2 minus 4, that's minus 2, minus 3, that's minus 5. Then here minus 3 plus 1 plus 3, that's what? That's plus 7x, right? Then minus 4 minus 1, that's actually minus 5, minus 5, that's what? Minus 10, right? So here I can go ahead and what? And multiply the whole bracket by what? By negatives, since I'm having negative here. So that I'm going to have this what? 12s power of 3 plus 5s squared, right? Then minus 7x plus 10. So this is the answer to this expression, b of x minus c as a function of x minus a function of x. So that's just it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do well to share it with your friends. Please share it with your friend and don't forget to click on the share button. And if you have some question you want me to solve for you, kindly please drop it in the comment box below. I'll be there to reply you. Thanks for watching.